Stop by and take a look at the 2002 Grand Marquis. The Grand Marquis offers the roomiest interior and the most spacious trunk in its class. The class-exclusive standard V8 engine delivers 224 horsepower and can run on a unique blend of gasoline and ethanol, E85. It's also the only car in its class to receive the government's highest 5-star front crash test rating 15 years in a row and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, AM/FM stereo with cassette, includes 4-speaker radio prep package, power driver seat, tilt steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.